Dear class of 2020, my name is Sugandh and I'm honored to be here with you today while your hard work pays off and you graduate from this esteemed university. Back in 2007, just like you, even I graduated from TIIT Hyderabad, and I'm going to share with you 3 very specific lessons that I've learned during these 13 years of my professional life. Lesson number 1, it's not just about the plan. Of course, like all of you today, even I had laid out a plan for my life. A list of companies to work for, places to travel, and money to be earned. But I have found life in things I didn't plan for. To give you an example, on one of the lazy weekends, a neighbor of mine asked me to come along with her to a Toastmasters meeting. After attending a couple of meetings, another Toastmaster asked me to start a Toastmasters club of my own, and I thought, why not? So began the Madhapur Toastmasters Club, and in its 10-year journey, I met my wife, made some of my closest friends, and even found some pretty great employee referrals. I later joined TEDx Hyderabad as a volunteer just because I could, and from there I got connected to a startup investment group called Succeed. At Succeed, I learned how to look at a product not just as a software developer but also as an entrepreneur and as an investor. This perspective is helping me mentor Skillo, which is an edtech startup founded by my wife. I later turned it up a notch and could even start the TIIT Hyderabad Alumni Angels Network, where we alumni come together to support other TIIT Hyderabad startups. 13 years back, I had not planned on doing any of these, but success is not a well laid out plan. It's also leaving things to chance by putting yourself at places where more opportunities can find you. So my dear graduates, learn to say, why not, to things that don't fall in your plan, even if they remotely excite you. Lesson number 2, don't compete, collaborate. Till the time we are in college, our life is about getting more marks, getting higher salaries in placements to be better than the rest. Even the entrance tests of these institutions are called competitive exams. But once you step out in the real world, the only way to be successful is to collaborate, not compete. Let's assume you have a business idea. If you are competitive, you will not share that idea with anyone. But you will soon learn that ideas are dime a dozen. What you really need is execution. And to execute, you need to share the idea, gather feedback, and convince others along the way to join your mission. I try doing this as much as I can. I share my knowledge through my YouTube channel. I attend sessions to meet more people. I even speak at conferences, recently being EduCon, which is Google's conference for educational creators and startups, because it's a privilege to share your ideas and have somebody to listen to you. In order to make anything, you need an audience and get the most critical feedback. You can't even make a baby alone, forget a company. So once you step out of these doors virtually, I want you to forget everything you know about competition and actively look out for ways to collaborate. Lesson number 3, stay connected to your roots. And by roots, I mean our prestigious alumni network at TIIT Hyderabad. I'm not saying this because they have invited me for this talk, but also my seniors have all the answers to the career problems I have faced, because they have faced this before me. To give you a few examples, when I graduated from TIIT Hyderabad, I had a choice of doing an MBA, an MS from US, and an offer letter from Amazon. My senior Jhansi helped me resolve this confusion. Every company transition I made is because of a referral from the TIIT's alumni network. My senior Jagpreet still looks out for me whenever I have a professional or personal dilemma. And my college gang, Saket, Ashish, Ravi, Meghna, Neeraj, are also the closest set of friends that I have. When I entered TIIT Hyderabad, I was a shy guy who stammered. But now, I still stammer, but I am confident and proud of the person I have become. Thanks to TIIT Hyderabad for always looking out for me. What we learn, we only pass back to our alumni network, and I urge you to be part of it too. This is my happy place, both virtually and on campus. And once this pandemic ends, I can't wait to get back, even if it's for an evening stroll. Someday, I hope to see you there too. Congratulations on your graduation and good luck.